I just wanted to show you guys. I just got my new curtains. I'm so excited. This is where all the magic happens as far as my crafting and my jewelry business. So this is where I do everything. This is where all my beads and charms are up here. Obviously my purse charms hanging there. And I have my packaging supplies here and my tissue paper, my mailers, and in here I have my other jewelry supplies, and that's it. So just want to show you guys, just give you a look at, it's a little nook. It's not the biggest, but this is where I have my little peace and quiet. I look outside, I forget the world, and that's it. Just want to show you guys. Thanks for watching.